Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I am standing out in front of this beautiful house out in Sun City West. I'm wearing a scarf because I'm just cold, but it's gorgeous, Sun City West, Arizona. This house is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,939 square feet home. It is in great condition and it's got all nice features, custom cabinetry inside. And in just about an hour or so, we're going to have a group of realtors come through here from all over the West Valley area to take a look at this property and see what client it fits for. But if you want to take a peek at it, come and see me on Wednesday. We're doing an open house, and you can peek inside, see all the custom cabinetry, all the new carpeting, and the new features in the home, and see if this is going to be your next home. My name is Laya Gavin. I'm at Exit Realty Sun City, and this beautiful home again is out in Sun City West. And call me at 623-552-3255 if you want more information, or what you can always do is, just like the sign says, you can text 85377, text the word exit to 85377 for more pictures and pricing and info. Thanks.